Hi, Dave with Chill Squad Water and Air. I'm here with Sue. Sue had some issues with her air conditioner freezing over. We came over here after another company did, took the unit apart, found out she was a little low in refrigerant, really cleaned out the coil. She was explaining to me the last company come over here didn't even have any tools, right?
Correct, yes. They borrowed tools from me.
So if you're a technician, please make sure you have tools coming to a customer's house. So explain to me what we did here and how you would recommend Chill Squad air conditioning.
I highly recommend Chill Squad because David here came and actually opened up the unit. He found multiple issues going on, including with the ductwork, which no other company took it apart and looked further. Took multiple tests to find out the ampage.
Did a leak test for you?
Leak test and
right.
Amp
test.
Check the intake in the house to see what the temperatures were.
Found out you had some rodents are going into your,
in my house
possibly in the ductwork.
If the ductwork is not exactly connected to the attic ductwork. So yes, David found out multiple issues that nobody even attempted to investigate.
So you would say we went above and beyond that your expectations.
Went above and beyond, and he volunteered it. I didn't even have to ask for it. So I highly recommend Chill Squad.
Wonderful. Thank you for the kind words. And guys, if you need any help with your air conditioner or water system, please give us a call. Again, Dave from Chill Squad, 239-256-COOL, 256-2665. Oil where it's rusting. Also, this is a unit here that had all this debris after somebody came and did a maintenance or at least somewhat of a wash down of the coil. This is why maintenance is very important. This is like a slime that's built up when the coils get really gross and dirty from not changing the filters or lack of maintenance. The filters get really dirty, and what happens is the water goes over the coils, gets dirty, goes into the drain pan, builds up a slimy sludge of algae and different things like that. That's why it's important to do maintenance, do cleanings on the drain lines, make sure the drain lines aren't back pitched, like this one here looks back pitched. And clean out the drain pan, put algicide tabs, possibly even put a purifier in here to keep this side of the coil clean. But as you can see, doesn't look the greatest in here. And if you ever see your coils with a rust mark like this, rusting, usually that's an indication that your coils have some sort of leak and leaking refrigerant due to the refrigerant leaking is causing the coils to typically rust. So also you got, looks like some critters that are inside of your ducts.
That's not cool at all.
We'll take a look at your system. We'll put a leak detector on it. We'll do a bubbles test, nitrogen. We'll put a leak stop in it to see if we can see any leak with our UV sunglasses and or a flashlight. So we do maintenance, whole house surge protection, ultraviolet filtration, whole home purifiers. Give us a call, 239-256-2665. Again, call Chill Squad Water and Air, 239-256-COOL. That's 2665. Thank you. Have a great day.